welcome back to the channel. It's your boy David, and back here we are making another video, as you guys can see, with the Audi A4 Premium Package 2013. This thing is looking mean, as you guys can see. So we have done so many things, and pretty much this car is complete 100%. Let's go ahead and do a little walk around, and I can show you how it looks. Alright, as you guys can see, just got a brand new cleanup. So we washed her down. Looks really nice and fresh. Very few marks, as you guys can see. And if you guys can tell, sadly I didn't get this filmed, but I have a couple clips, so I'll put it in right now. But there you go, this quarter panel is finally painted. This was where the damage was. It was hit right here and it bent everything up. So the paint job came out amazing, just really nice. Don't even have to buff it, but we're still gonna go ahead and detail it, make sure it looks really nice and clean. Here's what it looks from like the other side. But yeah, pretty much 100%, or let's just say 99% done. Okay, I apologize, let's say 98. We got to do a nice little cleanup inside, even though she looks pretty clean. Do small cleanup inside, wiping everything down, just detailing all the fabric, all the leather. But overall, we can say it is almost 100%. So the last package that we've been waiting for such a long time is finally here. It's really exciting. So this headlight, as you guys remember, the passenger side was not damaged. It came with the vehicle. It already has all the features on it. So we had to get the one for the driver's side. We got it, and it wasn't 100%, let's just say, programmed, where it was adjustable. So when you turn this vehicle on, the headlight itself, as soon as you turn the car on, it adjusts, goes up and down by itself. And so it is missing that baluster or adjustment on the driver's side. So it is finally here. Hopefully it looks like the package. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, here's the package that just came. You guys can see I already opened it because I was pretty excited. I've been waiting for a long time. It came a couple of weeks to come in, but they packaged it up really nice. They definitely wanted to make sure it doesn't get damaged. All right, so this is the self-adjusting ballast, I guess you could say, or a motor. Here's all the little pieces if you guys need it for your own vehicle, but there's a lot of different ones where this stands like that, or just different shape or in different areas, and the mounting brackets are different. It didn't come with any screws, so let's go ahead and find some because we're going to be mounting this today. Here's a little box I actually saved from some sweets that I used to eat, and here, look at this. Made a nice little packaging area, collecting all my little bulbs, everything that that I need, clips. So I think these will work just perfect. We've got some Torx heads. We might use just some regular Phillips head screws. We're gonna see what fits the best. Those have a little bit of thicker bottom pieces over here. So let's go ahead and start removing the bumper. the front bumper is completely off. Now we're gonna go ahead and attack this headlight. It is held on by 1, 2, and another screw here, another one right here, and one that runs all the way into there. As soon as we remove all those, should be able to pop this headlight out. That adjuster itself, it sits right there. You can see there's this 1 and 2 mounting brackets, and you can see that little hole right there. You can see where the connector goes right into there. So that's what it will go. So we're gonna go ahead and take this headlight off and start ready to install it. All right, so we're gonna make sure this seal is 100% nice and clean. Make sure, you know, it's not all bent up. If it is, water's gonna get in there, so that's not gonna be good. It's gonna corrode all the connections. So we're gonna go ahead and see. So it looks like it does match up perfectly. Slide it on till it doesn't go anymore. Get your bolts. Screw them in. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the car and see how it works. So we have installed it. Just regular. We have installed it. Let's see if it moves. Alright, so this headlight did not move right there in the middle. That one's supposed to adjust by itself. So we're gonna have to get a program. Alright, front bumper is back on. We're gonna have to take it to our buddy to get a program. That way it'll adjust by itself once again. But let's go ahead and put these plastic pieces on and complete it. Alright guys, the vehicle is looking fantastic all the way around. Obviously just got to get that headlight module adjusted, but this is the product we're going to try out today. My brother used it before, Vinny. He used it on his car and it was pretty bad. That big black turd, if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It'll be down in the description. But we're going to do this right here. Should clean up really well. You can do both interior and exterior, so let's go ahead and get to it.